Should each store be completely different niches or variations of similar niches? So I would do a mixture of both, but when you're right in the beginning, I would spread out niches. So we have a mixture of both. So we control some keywords. So some keywords, there's like, say 6 different niches that we control, like 6 different keywords that we just control the first 5 pages. 90% of the listings are our stores, and we dominate. And we get rid of the competition. We push ours very, very heavily, and we're very, very controlling over the first page. So we do that, but then also we have certain niches where we're just like, we're a small fish, right? But in a big pond. So we do multiple different things. Like typically people say, if you want to make hundreds of millions of dollars, you want to be a small fish. Sorry. Yeah. If you want to make hundreds of millions of dollars, I don't know if this is actually super necessary or even should say this, but like if you want to make hundreds of millions of dollars, you want to take a percentage of a very large industry. You want to take 1% of supermarkets, right? Or 10% of supermarkets. Whereas if like, that's the way to make real big money. But if you just want to make kind of like whatever money, then you want to take like the whole of one industry. So that's the way I like to do it.